Hi, it's David in the stained glass studio, and we're working on a fused snowflake. So I've got a couple pictures here. Here's the picture of the mold being prepared, and here it is going into the kiln, and now we're going to take it out of the kiln. I really don't need gloves on for this. Now, the reason that I got this one is because it's got a really nice shape. It's got this little place here for the hanger, so that it'll have a hole in it, and it's only going to be one color. It's just going to be clear. And so you thought I should use the little scoopy thing, Jeannie?
Yeah, it'd be fun.
Alright, so there's different tools here for sorting out your Frit. Here's one that's just kind of a little funnely thing so that you can scoop it and pour it in. And I think maybe this one will work. Now, this is the reason I got this mold, is because it's just clear glass and that's all. We don't have to be really artistic in our placement of the Frit.
Works. If so, it should be sparkly.
Well, the bottom of it has a really cool design, and we'll find out about that after it comes out.
So I'm curious about something. Do you leave the spot open where the holder goes?
You mean where the hole is going to be in the snowflake?
Yeah.
It'll melt down around it.
Oh, all right.
I know this because I've done a different one that worked.
Cool.
Okay, so there we go.
Into the kiln it goes.
Ooh. Okay, now we're going to drop this down. We're going to have it on the little bit of an opening here so that we can get some airflow, and I'm going to set it. Okay, so ramp 1 is 1,000. Ramp 2 is going to full to 1350. There we are. Okay, I guess I can put my glasses back on. Well, it was a lot of fun, and we'll be right back with you through the magic of video, and we'll take a look and see how it goes. How long do you think this will take, Jeannie?
I don't know.
Okay, it's down to 141.
it looks like ice.
Ice, ice, baby.
Sparkly. So do you have to let it cool before you try to get it out?
I'm going to, because I can feel it's rather a bit warm.
All right. So now what?
Well, I think what I'll do, I'll just lay the gloves on top of it so that it cools slowly.
Okay.
And then we'll check it later. Okay, well here we are. It's nice and cooled down. And so we're going to look here. Oh, look. See how crystal, oh, look at that. You know, you couldn't even touch it before. Now it's got that. Now this piece right here, remember that broke off when we I don't know. There we go. There's my.
Want a mallet?
See how the bottom of it has this kind of a faceted look. Wow, this is really great. Pulling this up to the higher, see I've got a little bit of rough edge here. But other than that, they're all smoothed out nicely.
So you say that's a success?
Yeah, pop this out. Huh. I guess I do need a mallet. I don't know. All right, sweet. So there's our snowflake, our successful snowflake, the very first Frit piece that's ever really been a success. And you know, we did take it up to 1500 degrees, and that must be part of the secret. Look at that hole, isn't that perfect? I do think I'll take a Dremel tool to it and kind of clean these little scales, but that's it. So based on that success, I think I'm going to revisit some of the other pieces that we've done in Frit and see how we can do them. We'll share that with you as well. So thanks for being with us.